It is December 4th. All right, got it right this time. I'm here with one of my lovely patients who, if you watched the laser surgery done about a week ago.
Yeah, Tuesday.
Yep, I had the pleasure of working on his back, and he's willing to share some of his story with you. Tell us what life was like before the Deuk laser disc repair surgery you had last week.
About 2 years ago, injured myself really bad. Just really unbearable. Just everyday walking, playing with my children was really intolerable. And I got fortunate to find you on the internet and went through the review process, and I mean, it was just the best decision I ever made. I mean, it really changed my life. I mean, just to get that feeling back in my leg, which I didn't think was possible. But knowing now, 7 days after surgery, feeling the way I feel, I would do this again in a heartbeat, no questions asked.
So your biggest problem was you had some back pain, but it was mostly your left leg.
Yeah.
And when did the left leg pain go away after the surgery? Was it right away, or did it take a few days?
I noticed probably 65 to 70% right after surgery. I mean, that night after the medication and everything wore off, I was elated. I was telling my wife, I said, I can't believe I feel what I feel. And I haven't felt that in 2 years. So for me, I was a true believer right out of the gate. That was like my biggest thing, you know, doing this. Would I get that feeling back? And it's only going to get better. I feel like it's only going to get better as time goes on.
I agree.
Yeah.
So what other options did you have? I mean, did you see other doctors for this? What did they say?
I did. I went to 2 other supposedly prominent orthopedic surgeons, and I was dumbfounded. I mean, I spent 14 years in the military and had better care in the military than I did, you know, with a private doctor. And he basically looked at my MRI and said, here's 100 Percocet, there's nothing I can do for you. And I said, what do you mean there's nothing you can do? He says, I don't see anything, and I'm not big on surgery, so there's nothing we can do. And that happened to me twice. And I told my wife, I was at a loss at that point. Didn't know what to do. I suffered about another 7 or 8 months, and then I stumbled upon you. And to be honest with you, I mean, changed my life. I'm serious.
Yeah. And that's why we're here.
Yeah.
We're here to help people like you who suffer. That's what we want to do, you know, give your life back. How did your wife take all this? I mean, she must have been suffering with you, right?
Yeah, she was pretty elated once everything was done, and she saw that wasn't any more pain, and just, I put her through hell, and my kids, and just my quality of life, and
It robs you of your dignity, doesn't it? That
Sure.
pain.
Yeah, sure does. Put me in some dark places. But
Well,
today, I'm a different person.
You are a different person, and I can see that right on you. I mean, really, life is good, right?
It is.
It is good,
It is.
and I'm happy for you, and it's
Thanks.
only going to get better.
All right.
It's only going to get better.
Yep.
Thank you for sharing your story.
Absolutely.
It means a lot.
Thank you. Thank you for everything you've done for me and my family. I truly appreciate it.
You bet.
Thank you.
Are we going to do this dance that you wanted?
I don't know.
If
If you leave, appreciate you.
You bet. You bet. All right. Well, go enjoy your holiday.